Hello friends, my name is Prasanna Gadkari and I teach people how to get into IITs and NIDs at complete free of cost. In today's video, I will be speaking about few of the questions that you should be asking yourself as to see which is the good design branch for you. So let's begin with the first one. When you sketch something, what do you typically sketch? Is it A. Anything that has wheels, B. Cartoons and caricatures, C. Something abstract, something like flowers or almost anything that catches your eye, or something usable such as cell phones, watches, cameras maybe, mixer blenders or some products like those, or E. It has something which has buttons on it, or maybe you are not much into sketching. Let us see the second question. When you go for shopping, which I am sure you would be often going, which of these is something that often catches your eye? Is it A. Something new and interesting, simply anything that's new? B. Some new phone or some technological gadgets? Is it C. You don't really go for packaging or something but only the colors, the illustration and stuff like that? Or D. Do you like to see the stuff that will maybe make your bike or car more groovy? Or you actually observe the ads around the shops? That is option number E. And finally, you only notice the price tags, which is pretty sure you don't do really. Now the third question. If you have a 500 rupees note, which is the place you are most likely to spend it on? A. You would like to buy a video game. B. You would like to buy a new set of watercolors that has caught your attention recently. C. You would like to buy a new ball pen or pencil to sketch the cars which you have been thinking about. D. You would like to just sketch the animated characters that have recently fancied your attention. E. Is it that's just something that you have in your mind and you want to get it on paper and you need to spend the money on that stuff? Or maybe you think that, which you don't of course, to put in mutual funds, which I hope that doesn't happen. Now comes the fourth question. Which of the following has happened to you? And believe me, this has happened to me a number of times. A. You unceasingly think about how a scene in movie was shot. And B. You think about a new device and wonder that how it was made. C. You have at least 10 new suggestions to how to improve your cell phone or a particular app that you have been using. D. You sometimes wonder that how they put the shiny colors you find on the toothpaste cartons, and typically you will see those 3D-ish looking colors that are seen nowadays on toothpaste cartons. Or E. Is it that how would the new specs would go with your car? Or do you often find yourself wondering, which I hope doesn't happen too often with you, is what is the enthalpy at the end of the nozzle of a steam turbine? Now let's go to the fifth question. Which are the softwares that you are aware about or have used, learned in the past? Is it Photoshop, CorelDRAW or one of those? B. Is it modeling software such as Alias? Is it C. The animation software known as Maya? D. You are really good at HTML and CSS. E. Is it software like SolidWorks? F. Is it ANSYS? Now let's get to the sixth question and let's get it straight. What kind of job would you really like to do? A. You would love to design a lot of new goods that are useful. B. You like to design web pages, maybe web application and maybe mobile applications as well. C. Do you like to design cars, bikes or some related accessories? D. Do you feel that you are more suitable for the jobs that give you an opportunity to create animations, maybe animated films? E. Do you find yourself happy with illustrations and logo design? F. Do you still prefer to go back to your old job or maybe do something in mechanical industry? And this brings us to the end of the questionnaire. These questions are mainly geared towards making you think more than anything else. So you should think in terms of what are the answers you have typically come across and think in terms of what you would really like to do. This will channelize your thinking and hopefully bring you to the branch that suits you the best according to your mental inclination. I hope that this video was useful for you and I hope that you continue watching the videos on this channel. If you want any help or want to comment on this video, please feel free to write in the comment section below. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you.